video is going to be a party organization showing you what I got for Luna's 4th birthday party. Is going to be Frozen theme. This time it's not going to be a big party, or I'm not going to invite all the people that I usually do. It's just going to be immediate family, since we did took the Disneyland trip for her birthday, my birthday, and my husband's birthday. So limited on the cha-chang, right? So I'm going to show you what the items I got for her birthday celebration with our family, because I still want to decorate for her birthday, because it is her birthday, not everybody else's birthday. You know what I mean? So it's going to be Frozen theme. I had shown you in another haul what I got in the dollar store, and I'm going to quickly remind you of them because it's very important. I got these Frozen placemats that are paper, and I told you on that haul, if you haven't watched it, please watch it, that these Frozen items, Mickey Mouse and Princess, are going to be discontinued from the dollar store. So whatever you can get your hands on is going to be what you can get your hands on. It's going to be discontinued, so you got to make sure, if you want to get these, go get them. They have these paper mats. They also have these kaleidoscopes that I got from them. They have these napkins, and they have these paper plates that are 18 in a pack. I got those from that dollar store, and I also got these keychains. These keychains were on the toy section as Elsa and Anna, and I got those from that one. So please check that little description box to get that link so you can understand what I'm talking about. And I'm going to show you now what other items I have acquired from the 99 cents and from Walmart. I'm gonna show you what I got from the 99 cents first, and that is this Disney Frozen 3D wall sticker, and it is just Elsa. I didn't find Anna. They also had Winnie Pooh, Mickey Mouse, Paw Patrol, and Fancy Nancy. Is that? I'm not sure about that. It also has Olaf on the side, and this is kind of like a wall decal, but I just wanted to put it in the table to decorate. And I didn't find Anna, but you'll later see what other things I have for the table. It is a 3D plastic sticker, and it was $1.99 item, and not a 99 cents, but it's pretty nice. You can touch it, and it's 3D, and it's pretty cool. $1.99. I also got there these cups. Hopefully you can see that they're sparkly. They have like glitter. They are 8 in a cup, and they're BPA free. And I want to make their jellos here. And of course the purpose of the sparkly is because of Elsa's snow. So I got those cups from there. And then I also found this lime. This lime was $2.49, but it's Frozen themed, and I'm thinking about putting them in mini cups that I also got from there. A little batch for each of them, but I'm not sure still. This could be a gift for Luna. Anyways, it's Frozen and it's purple. And that's nice. So I got that one for that. Let me sit Layla down because she's managing herself over here. I also got from there, I found these I like on the section for school. I don't know why. I found these thin pails. I don't know what, buckets. And they have the sisters right about there. And originally I thought about doing the goodie bags in these little pails, because I'm just going to be inviting my sisters, and maybe my cousins will come. There are not that many kids, and I can afford to buy these for them. And they're nice. They can put them in their toys. They can keep them, right? Oh, nice. So I thought that was nice. Those were 99 cents, just to tell you. And I also got these Frozen glow wand and glow sparkle and glow bracelets. I got 3 of each, I think, or 2 of each. And of course there's bracelets, or there's a wand. You snap them, and then you get the color. And then I also got candy from there as well, but these are for the goodie bags. I don't think it's worth showing you, because it's just party mix, and this is more for decorating. Now I will show you what I got from Walmart. Now on Walmart they had these cups. Now these cups are a bit cheaper than the dollar store, but they're a bit smaller than the dollar store. I think they were 80 cents or 89 cents, but they're a bit smaller. And of course it has the sisters, And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. And I don't know, I just got them. I could have more goodie bags, cup kind of thing, instead of the bucket, but I will see about that, even though they're nice. Then I also got the Celebrate iridescent table cover, and it's like that iridescent bluish, greenish, Elsa-ish color. So I got that one. This was I think $2 and something. I also found this Frozen big bow. They have the Frozen section on the party section over at the Walmart. I'm going to take out the clip right here so I can show you, because it glows. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it doesn't work. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Yeah, I think this was $4, almost $5. I'm not sure. It glows. It has little lights, and it's really nice. And Luna loves bows, so I got that for her. And it has the little sisters right there. And then I also got these disposable cello bags and kind of iridescent as well, 99 cents. Hold on, Luna. And I also found this happy birthday banner that says happy birthday from Frozen. I think this was $1 or $1 something. And it has the sisters, and now I can have something that could go with that. And from there I also got these napkins that are a bit different, way different than from the dollar store. Now these are 20 and these are 16, but it's a bit different. And I also got these plates. They're way bigger than the 99-cent store, but they only have 8, and the 99 or the dollar store has 18. And it's just Elsa. I was thinking of the cake plate, and then maybe they could get something else. Now this was at Walmart. And then I went again to the dollar store, and then I went to that same section and I found this other plate. Now this has 18 as well. Look at this. This has the sisters, and this only has Elsa and the purple rim. It looks pretty nice. And that's from the dollar store. I also got these cups. Now look at this. This is the difference. Of course, this is $1 and this is 89 cents, but it's way smaller from Walmart than it is from the dollar store. Now I didn't know until I came home and I checked my receipt that this only cost me 1 cent. So I'm not sure if all the items from Frozen now, if you buy them, are gonna come to 1 cent or only the cups. They just came to be 1 cent, and I bought them for my nephews because I wasn't going to give them a girl's cup, and I thought Olaf was perfect and they're a bit bigger. So I got those two, which is nice. A cent each. Comes really nice. I also found these Frozen bubbles, and of course it's oh my gosh, I barely noticed. One is bigger than the other. What in the world? It says 6 floor ounces though, each of them. How can that be? Look at 6 floor ounces and 6 floor ounces, but then the bottle is a bit different. How is that gonna make 6 floor ounces? Well, that's weird. I got one for Luna and then one for my niece. And then I got this other packet with all random ones for the other nephews. And then I also found this cup with mini crowns. I thought it was cute for the little girls. I have found on my last time that I went, I had found these little hats also at the dollar store, but I thought these were cool since they're princesses. I also got them this favor surprise, or 8 little maracas kind of things, so that was nice. I also got these princess baggies for 8 loot bags. I just got it because I also got these bows to put Luna's present. I got that one. And I think the last thing that I got for her birthday were these Frozen tattoos. I was looking for stickers, but I didn't find stickers, so I found these tattoos that I'm going to cut and put them in her preschool goodie treats that I got for her class for her birthday that I'm going to be taking on Friday, because her birthday will be on the Sunday, August 11th. But I'm going to cut the little tattoos and put them in the, I got her a birthday thing. There will be another video for that if you want to check it out. And I got enough. It has 25 tattoos and I think there's 23 kids in there, so just enough. And I got one for her birthday as well. So there is that for that one. And I think that's all that I got for her birthday. Yep, that is all that I got. Hopefully you guys find this helpful, that if you're gonna make a frozen, go ahead and go to your dollar store, go to your 99-cent store to find the pails, and to Walmart to find the buckets or the cups, and go to the dollar store. Maybe you'll get the dollar-cent cups as well. Not the dollar cent, the cent cups as well. Hopefully you guys find this helpful. Comment down below what was your favorite item, if you have already done a frozen theme birthday party. Yes, so other than that, that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't.